Hebu jaribu kujoin kwanza nione. Oh, sorry. It's okay. You can continue. If you can share the screen
It's
and
white in color.
If you
It's
can
white
share
in
the
color.
screen and continue, then we are good to go. Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, ingi inani recording.
Okay, just share the screen. I think
Recording
then
lakini
it goes
video.
audio.
Recording hata hapa.
So down here, I believe you can be able to see that we have the answer key, isn't it? Yeah. So if you click on it, it allows you to select the correct answer. My question was, a computer is an electronic device that accepts. Okay, we have input, output, keyboard, and information. So the correct answer is input. Okay, so you can give feedback to a student who has answered it correct, like correct, or you can say, well done. Okay, well done. And for incorrect answer, you can say, oops, the correct answer is input. Okay, and you can also attach a video so that the student understands what you're talking about. Like for mine, I've been able to attach a video there, which a student can go and watch to find out the correct answer. So that is it.
What is this?
Okay. So all these things are like, they are YouTube advertisements before you start the lesson. So actually, if you continue, you will find that the lesson continues and it tells you what input is. So that is just an example. So as a teacher, you can attach a link or you can attach a YouTube video so that it guides the student on to the correct answer. So you save that. So probably we can like add one more question. Okay. So for you to add one question, you can click on the plus sign. You click on the plus sign and you add the question. Okay. So my question would be, name one input device. Okay. So you can see that it's a short answer. Okay. You can actually change that to a drop down. You can change it to a drop down answer. So in the drop down, you don't name, but you can now select. Actually, my time is running out. I have less than 10 minutes. I'll select an input device. Okay. So from the options, I'm going to have, I give the option of monitor. Okay. I give the option of mouse. I give the option of bus. And lastly, I can give an option of a speaker. Okay. So that is it. I need to choose, I need to assign marks to that. And I will tell the student that that is required. So if I want to assign points, I will click on answer key. How many points is that going to be? 1 point. So I will add answer to add answer feedback. So for incorrect, you would say wrong. The answer the answer is what? Mouse, eh? The answer is mouse. For correct answer, you would say great. Okay, great. So you save that. And now you will need to select the correct answer. So what is the correct answer? That is the correct answer. So for a student to be able to answer that particular question, then correctly and earn 1 point, he or she must select the mouse. Okay. So once that is done, you can preview. You can go and preview. You scroll up to go and preview your form before you send. So you can click on the preview. So your questions are going to appear like that. Okay. And the first question would be characteristics. What characteristics best describe the generation of computers? You can see that we have several there. Okay. Like the third generation, it uses integrated circuits. Okay. Then fifth generation, artificial intelligence. First generation emit a lot of heat, something like that. Then the second generation, okay, like that. Like that. Then fourth generation uses that. Okay, so you can scroll down and answer. All right. Select the components of a computer system. We have hardware, software. So that is what the students are going to see basically. Okay. So once that is done, the name given to the father of computing, Charles Babbage. Okay, that is the question that I added, yeah? Select the input device, so you can click and select the correct one. We say that is the mouse, all right? Then we have the computer is an electronic device that accesses what? Input, and then the student will submit. All right, so the student is able to view the score immediately. So if I click on view score, I don't know, I've scored 11 out of 11. That is beautiful. Okay, so that is quite encouraging, and the students are going to be happy to see the results. So that done, you can send the form in a form of in the form of a link, or you can send to email addresses. Like if I want to send this form, I will click on the link. Okay, so already I have a link there for that form. I will copy that and I will send you in the WhatsApp, and you will be able to answer. Are you going to answer? All right.
Yes.
Oh, great, great. So I'm expecting answers from you. So I'll send this form, and you can send it to via email. I've already copied the form. I'll send it to Clarice. All right. Clarice is there. All right. I can also send it to Benedict. All right. And anybody else? Okay. So right now, what I will do, I will click on send. I click on send, and there we are. So that brings us to the end of that lesson. I believe you enjoyed, and you're going to try and create your form, and actually send us a link so that we fill. For more information, you can reach us on Google GEG Kenya group. You're going to be assisted. Otherwise, we thank you, and God bless you. Enjoy your evening and keep safe.
Keep safe too.
All right.
Oh, you have one chat, Rosie. Can you read that chat?
Okay, yes, yeah.
Oh,
I hope time is going to allow us. Oh,
yes.
Thanks. Oh, okay. Sawa. Okay.
Just a minute. That was...
Claudia, we can hook up so that I assist you further. You can even hook up with Clarice. Thank you so much for showing interest. All right.